Hey everyone, so good to be back with you. We are continuing on our journey back to the future in our youth group. And our week 2 didn't disappoint. Really good message that we all, I think, need to hear, need to know, and need to really take heart to. So I'd like to share that with you today. We think about from buildings to roads to robots to spaceships. Humans are pretty good at building things. The sad part is humans are really good at destroying them too. And it was no different back in the Old Testament days. It might sound a little strange, but thousands of years ago, the physical structures humans built had a lot to do with the relationship and how they related to God. Back then, God's people, the nation of Israel, built a temple where they could worship and be in God's presence. But then the temple was destroyed along with everything that they knew and how to be in God's presence. That would be pretty scary, wouldn't it? So Israel asked God to give them a new temple, thinking this was the only way to be close to him again. But God had a better idea. Instead of building another building that could then be destroyed, right? God created a brand new way to be near us. It wasn't a building at all, but it was a person. His name is Jesus. He's a brand new message that Jesus came to rebuild what was destroyed, and something so much better than a building. Jesus came to rebuild our relationship with God. I hope you know that relationship. I hope you have that relationship today with Jesus. We love you, and we cannot wait until we can meet again. Thank you guys. May God bless you.